Hello from the second grade team. We hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. Because some people may be having a problem with either printing out the weekly packets or picking them up from school, we wanted to offer another alternative to that. So there is a website where you can insert the weekly packet documents and then actually type on them. So to start, you're going to want to go to the website for second grade. This website should have been emailed to you or posted through Class Dojo. Once you're at this site, you're going to want to click on Weekly Packets. Once you're on Weekly Packets, you can scroll down to the week you're looking for. This is week 4, so I would click on this PDF and I would download it to my computer. We also have helpful videos this week that you can click on for your child to learn about adjectives and some of the math that they'll be learning this week as well. So once you've got your document downloaded, and this is what it looks like for week 4, you can go ahead and you want to plug in Dochub in your browser. Okay, once you click, you'll end up at a page that looks like this. Here is the Dochub website. If you want to, you can create your own account to use this. You can do a sign-in. There are free aspects of this. If you wanted to upgrade it, there is a price. So we're suggesting you just stick with the free website. Once you've created your website, this is an example of what my dashboard looks like. When I want to upload a new document, I click on the word new. I'm going to put it, I'm going to use a file from my computer, and I'm going to click on it and open it, and then it will open right up. Okay, so at this point, when you're in here, you can change how you see things. You can see all the documents. If there's a document that you wanted to click on, you can just go straight to it. To write on the document, you need to click on this letter A, so it will add a text box. And then you click where you want to add the text box, and then you simply can start typing like that. And then when you click again, it stays. Again, you can scroll down. You need to click to create the text box, and then you can type directly onto the document that way. If you wanted to highlight anything, there's a highlight tool. You can't really change the font because most of them are locked. That's where you would have to upgrade. So I would stick to the free settings. It'll be easier that way. So once you have had your child fill in the document, you then have the option of downloading it to your computer again, and then you can email it to us. And we will be able to check it that way, rather than having to take a bunch of pictures, which may or may not be your preferred method. So this is just another alternative to what we've been asking the kids to do. So if you are tired of printing out packets, or you're not able to, or you're not able to get to the school to pick up a packet, this might be something that works for you. We hope everyone is doing well. We miss you, and we will keep in contact through email and Class Dojo.